A big thank you to Grub Terra for sending me the product mentioned in today's video. Hey guys, it's Madison. Thanks for joining me in this faithful home. Today I'm out with my girls, who I know you haven't seen here in a while because we've been moving and pregnancy things and life. But I'm out checking on my girls today, and I am very excited because I am working with a company who so kindly sent me a product to have the girls test out. So this is Grub Terra. So thank you so much for Grub Terra for sending me their product in exchange for me talking about it on this channel. So if you are new to my channel, we have 12 chickens. 11 of them are laying hens. One is a rooster. The rooster is like right there. That's Nugget. He's huge. Love him. But yeah, so we got them in like May, and they are actually producing eggs now, which is super exciting. We've gotten like 8 dozen eggs or something from them, which is amazing considering it's like going into the winter season and it's cold, and I didn't think they were gonna lay, but they have, which is really, really cool. And I love eating fresh farm eggs, so that's awesome. So recently Grub Terra reached out to me and they said, hey, we want you to try our product in exchange for you just mentioning it on the channel. And so this is the black soldier fly larva. This is what they sent me. They sent me a 1-pound bag of it. On the bag it says it produces strong eggshells, keeps feathers healthy, it's farm raised, and it has 75% more calcium than mealworms. So this is black soldier fly larva dried. But yeah, basically it's a really good source of protein for the girls. It's a nice treat for them. And if you're lucky enough, it'll accidentally pop open in the mail and have the UPS lady tell you that some of the black soldier fly larva went everywhere in her truck. It happened. She was like, I hope these were supposed to be dead because there's a lot on the floor of my truck. So I felt bad about that, but I'm excited. I've heard a lot about Grub Terra. There's an airplane going by, so just give me a sec. So I've heard a lot about Grub Terra. I have watched several other YouTubers that have used this product before from this brand. I don't have any personal experience with it as of yet because my girls are just to about the age where I can start feeding them treats like this. And so really perfect timing that they reached out to me. They gave me a code that I'm gonna leave down below. I don't get anything from it, like it's not an affiliate link. I will have it for you if you want to try it. It's 10% off your purchase. Not promoting them because I haven't tried it out yet, but it's there if you want it because who doesn't love discounts? Really excited to give this to the girls, a nugget for them to try out. So let's see what they think because they're ready for a snack. Alright, once again, thank you to Grub Terra for sending me those products. It looks like the girls have loved that snack, and I'm excited to give them a little treat every day because I know that's a lot of fun for them. And in return, they give us some amazing eggs. Let me show you one more time what they gave us today. I mean, come on, guys. Look how good these look. So there's 11 here. And then I know that Matt has been collecting some in between. These girls are producing like crazy, which is awesome. So very excited about that. And to bring you along on this side of the homestead. I feel like I haven't updated you guys a lot recently on it because life's just been crazy. But I'm excited to get back in the routine of things. We have a lot more homesteading videos coming in the future. I'm going to shift focus into urban homesteading because if you're new here, we bought a house in the city. I've got big plans for it though. I'm going to build another thing of composts because, you know, I haven't built enough composts as it is. But I'm going to build that, and we got some raised garden beds that are going to go in. I'm going to take you along the urban homesteading process of living in a city again, as well as bring you out here and updating you on the girls, which Matt and Kelly are so kindly watching for us as we kind of shift back and forth and check on them when we can. So if you want to try out Grub Terra, 10% off code is down in the description. I'll leave a link for their website as well. The girls approve already. So we'll see what they think, and I'm going to continue feeding them handfuls of that, you know, as the days go on. So thank you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. I upload videos every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern, so I'll check back with you guys next week for another video. Bye guys.